Namaskar. In the last episode, we have learnt speech writing, how to write a speech. And now in this episode, we will learn a real speech. It is related to annual day speech, welcoming the chief guest and other guests too. Now, this is one kind of a model. It is suited to one occasion. You may make changes according to your wish, but keeping in mind the function, the audience, this is the speech. Here it goes. Good morning to all of you. I am Kirti Pandya, the student of the last semester. It has been my pleasure to be here on this function. We have been here to celebrate the annual day of our college. We are fortunate to have great personalities on this colorful occasion. Our chief guest is Mr. Kamlesh Gandhi, the guest of honor Dr. Paresh Devmurari, our principal Professor Rajesh Gohil, Professor Shukla, and Professor Vidya. The dignitaries on the dais, I am very happy to welcome all of you. Very warm welcome to all of you as well. Our city feels honor because of a recent great personality. He is none but Mr. Kamlesh Gandhi. He is the chairman of Gangotri Steel Industry. The industry has just won Best Emerging Unit of the state. He is the source and inspiration to that fantastic achievement. A leading industrialist he is, but we know him as a distinguished personality. Whenever services and funds are required, he helps extensively. He is also the donor of Kanti Gandhi Best Student Trophy. He has helped the marginalized people a lot through various projects. He has established a small center for poor children. He provides books, scholarship, and clothes to the needy students. There's a small library as well. He has been a hand to develop gardens in our city. To Bhavnagar Municipal Corporation, he provides his financial services for the vaccination programs. He is such a man who donates his blood regularly, and till now he has donated for 52 times. He holds various positions in many NGOs. He is the president of Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Bhavnagar. Under his able leadership, the city has been reaping some fruits. He is the vice president of Alang Ship Rice Recycling Unit. There are many such positions that he holds. We are very happy to have him as our chief guest. We welcome you, sir, with our warm feelings and affection. Our guest of honor, Dr. Devmurari, is a well-known surgeon of the city. Whenever any accident takes place, people of the city and the district run to his hospital. His services are open day and night. Along with his medical profession, he has been writer of a new books related to his experiences with the patients. He takes keen interest in education field as well. He has been a great encouragement to medical students to our university. Thank you very much, sir, for being with us. We cordially welcome you. Today, we have a very short program of awards and prize distribution. The toppers of the examination will be given prizes. There will be announcement of the Best Student Award of the year also. Those who have excelled in various fields will be awarded. We would be then motivated by our guest of honor, and then we will listen to our chief guest. And that will bring the end of our program. I like to thank the organizers giving me opportunity to welcome our guests and all of you. I wish you a very happy time ahead. Thank you for patiently listening to me. Thank you. So this is the one speech almost of 5 minutes. That is how you can also write speeches according to your style, according to your vocabulary. We meet in the next speech. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.